Hey guys, today I'm going to cook these seasoned pork baby back ribs from Costco here. I'm just going to go ahead and follow the grilling instructions on here. And it says to go ahead and remove them from the package, preheat the grill to medium high, place them on there for 12 to 15 minutes, flip them for 12 to 15 more minutes. The temperature should be at 175 Fahrenheit or higher. All right, 15 minutes on this side. All right, it's been about 15 minutes. Flip these over. Oh, looking just right. All right, for the first side, I did it closer to 400, and then the second side at 350 for the remaining 15 minutes. Let's see what we got. Time is up. Oh yeah. Let's check these babies out, put them on the food thermometer. Put the food thermometer on them. Oh, they look good. Oh yeah, looking good on these. All right, I want these babies to be at least 175.